NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. NLP enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is meaningful and useful. The goal of NLP is to bridge the gap between human language and machine understanding, allowing computers to process and analyze vast amounts of textual data. NLP techniques and algorithms are designed to extract meaning, sentiment, and context from text, enabling applications such as language translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, information extraction, text summarization, and question answering systems. NLP involves several fundamental tasks and techniques, including 1. Tokenization, breaking down a piece of text into individual words, phrases, or tokens. This step is essential for further analysis and processing. 2. Part of speech, POS, tagging, assigning grammatical tags to each word in a sentence, such as noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. 3. Named entity recognition, NER, identifying and classifying named entities in text, such as names of people, organizations, locations, dates, and other specific entities. 4. Sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. This analysis can be helpful in understanding public opinion or customer feedback. 5. Language modeling, building statistical models or neural networks that capture the structure, grammar, and semantics of a language, allowing the generation of coherent and contextually relevant text. 6. Machine translation, translating text from one language to another using algorithms that leverage large bilingual or multilingual corpora. 7. Text summarization, generating concise summaries of longer texts, extracting the most important information or main ideas. 8. Question answering, developing systems that can understand and respond to questions posed by users, often by extracting relevant information from large volumes of text. NLP techniques rely on machine learning, deep learning, and statistical approaches to analyze and process text. These methods involve training models on large datasets and leveraging linguistic patterns and statistical relationships within the data to make predictions and generate insights. NLP has numerous applications across various industries, including customer support, healthcare, finance, marketing, and information retrieval. It plays a crucial role in enabling machines to understand and interact with human language, making it a foundational technology for many AI-driven systems and applications.